Hi, it's been a while since I made my last video. Real estate prices, the interest rates have increased. As I told you, it is going to happen in the last video about the real estate. The effect has been felt a little bit in the real estate market by 5-10% decline in some properties, but it will be felt more in the future. People just won't be able to buy the properties they want at those prices which are currently listed. Luxury property and high-end property still has its clients because they don't need to take a loan. Enjoy the views of Tallinn and also this apartment, Seebi 1. It's an amazing view. I'm just waiting for our drone operator so we can make some amazing drone shots too. Woo! Quite cold. on ju? Oo. seal on merd ka veel näha. I'm now at the entrance, left hand side, the wardrobe, an automatic light, quite nice. So, smart home thing, this way, I don't know, better not touch anything. White kitchen with quite a lot of spots to put your cooking utensils. A couch and the view. Woo! Nice, quite wintry view.